Hello everyone. Let's dive into the TJCXELE DisplayPort KVM switch designed for users rocking a dual monitor setup and juggling between two computers. This KVM switch aims to streamline your workspace, allowing you to share two displays, peripherals, and more, all while maintaining a crisp 4K resolution at a smooth 144Hz refresh rate. The first thing to note is the build quality. The TJCXELE KVM switch boasts an aluminum construction, giving it a premium feel and suggesting durability. It's designed to be rack-mounted, which is a plus for those with organized setups. The unit features a push-button actuator for switching between computers and also supports desktop controller. Functionality is where this KVM switch shines. It supports extended and copy modes, catering to different workflow preferences. Whether you need to spread your work across multiple screens or mirror content for presentations, this switch has you covered. The inclusion of USB 3.0 ports is a welcome addition, ensuring fast data transfer speeds for your peripherals. With 4 USB ports available, you can easily connect your keyboard, mouse, and other essential devices. The TJCXELE KVM switch is designed for those who demand high performance from their displays. The 4K resolution at 144Hz refresh rate support ensures a visually fluid experience, whether you're gaming, video editing, or simply working with detailed graphics. In summary, the TJCXELE DisplayPort KVM switch offers a blend of functionality, performance, and build quality. It's a solid solution for anyone looking to simplify their dual monitor, dual computer setup while maintaining top-tier display quality and fast USB speeds.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.